The mobile revolution is creating a new buzz in businesses, and the e-commerce space is no exception. Mobile e-commerce apps for your business are changing how online shopping is done. They have changed how retailers can connect with their customers. There is no more dependency on bulletin boards or printing materials to promote special offers or discounts when you can do it more productively through a mobile e-commerce app. More than 48% of digital shoppers judge the credibility of an e-commerce store based on its features and mobile responsive designs. 38% of users return to an e-commerce app 11 times or more after they download it. There's a good chance that they'll be buying on multiple occasions during those 11+ visits. If you too are wondering, how can retail companies that are doing business in the digital space benefit from mobile applications? This video is just for you. Here are some advantages of integrating an app into your e-commerce store. Expanded customer reach. An e-commerce app expands business globally, reaching customers beyond physical boundaries to sell worldwide. Increased sales and revenue. 24/7 e-commerce app boosts sales with round-the-clock accessibility and effective marketing strategies. Improved inventory management. E-commerce apps optimize inventory and supply chain with real-time tracking. Cost savings. E-commerce apps are more cost-effective than physical stores, saving on rent, utilities, and staffing. Seamless mobile shopping experience. E-commerce apps cater to mobile shoppers, offering a user-friendly platform for convenient browsing and purchasing. Advanced search capabilities. The advanced filter extends beyond the standard search box that customers use online to fine-tune the search and discovery criteria, displaying results swiftly and precisely. Time saving. Mobile apps load 1.5 times faster than e-commerce websites. Data retrieval in mobile apps happens in a blink of an eye and delights customers by providing them with a seamless experience. Mobile apps support strong connections between brands and customers. Mobile functionality allows you to monitor users' interactions and gives you useful information about them, such as responsiveness to particular content and features, feedback, and audience composition. An app can lead you a step ahead in the competitive retail sector to win the extra mile. Digital commerce is a large ecosystem that involves customers, vendors, marketing activities, and technologies. Today, building an e-commerce mobile app is obviously an essential step for sales companies. So what are you waiting for? Building an app is easier than you think. Get started today with Quickworks. Our platform makes it easy for anyone to build an app, regardless of their technical skill level. If you need some help or want us to build it for you, just reach out and let us know. We'll be happy to offer you as much assistance as you need.